Today I show you how to check if your Samsung Galaxy Android phone has the AppCloud app installed. And first thing to do, it would be to turn off the mobile internet or Wi-Fi. So you don't do searches on the internet, it's only going to do searches on the device itself. The AppCloud is an app that will install other apps. It's a installer from Samsung. Not all Samsung devices have the AppCloud app installed, but you might want to check if you have that installed, and you might want to clear the cache or find a way to turn it off. You might be able to remove the AppCloud app from your Samsung Galaxy Android phone if you have that, using ADB commands, but that's a bit of an advanced feature. But first you want to check if you even have it at all. So first thing to do, when you're searching for AppCloud, you have to make sure that you show the system apps. So open the settings. In the settings, go to the app lists. So you have apps here, tap on apps. And here you will have the apps, but tap on the filter. This is OneUI 8.0, and in previous versions of OneUI, you could tap on the three-dot menu there to show the system apps. Now you have here the option to tap here on this filter setting, and you can filter, you can change the sort order, and also you can enable show system apps. This is what I wanted to show you here. Then press OK. Once you enable the show system apps option, you will have lots of apps here, lots of things that you didn't know you had. These are system apps, so don't try to change anything that you don't really want to change. Then make a search and search for AppCloud. So AppCloud, one word. I search it, no results found. And also you might want to put AppCloud with the space in between. You might have an app called AppCloud here, and you might be able to clear the cache. You can change the permissions, try to reduce the permissions as much as possible. But if you have the app, probably it's going to be able to do things that it needs without you being able to restrict it. The AppCloud app is used to install programs, apps on your Samsung phone from Samsung and partners of Samsung. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but if you have the AppCloud, you might be able to clear the storage. For example, for storage, you might be able to clear the cache. So you can clear data, clear cache for AppCloud, and you could try to remove the AppCloud app from your Samsung Galaxy Android phone using the ADB command. On the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, I don't have this app. I don't have it, so that's fine for me. And I will set back the setting. I don't want to be uninstalling or changing any system apps by mistake that I don't want. So this is how you search for the AppCloud app on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone to see if you have it. Then you can choose to clear the cache or even disable it if you can, or use ADB commands to uninstall it. Thanks for watching.